Assalamu alaikum. Today I have an amazing opportunity for you to gain continuous reward from now until the day of judgment. Just give me 2 minutes of your time. Last year I shared my vision with you to educate 1 million African youth by providing them with tuition-free 4-year degrees with the Islamic Online University. Alhamdulillah, we raised an amazing $800,000 and educated around 1,000 students. I need you again, yes, you, to help us educate more African youth Islamically and academically and change their lives and the lives of their families and their communities forever. To kick off phase 2, we need to raise another $800,000. Let me break that down to you. I'm looking for 8,000 special people chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from the hundreds of thousands of you watching this video to give only $100 each. Our degree courses will give the youth a chance to be educated, earn a living, feed their families, and educate their children, therefore changing an entire generation. The Prophet Muhammad said, whoever travels a path in search of knowledge, Allah will make for him a path to paradise easy. Subhanallah. Just imagine the rewards for the one who helps facilitate this knowledge. For a small donation today, you will earn continuous sadaqah until the day of judgment. For every small bit of knowledge these students learn, implement, and go on to teach, on top of all of that, the path to Jannah, paradise, will be made easy for you. Isn't that amazing? Donate on the link now. Help to change the ummah today and earn yourself a place in paradise. Lastly, please hit the share button. Jazakumullah khairah.